It all started with the big problem.
Broward County Public Schools, we've been facing some budget challenges, and that comes from declining enrollment. We had to figure out a way to make ends meet, to make sure that we're sustainable for the future.
Through the innovative use of Microsoft Copilot, we looked for where was the greatest spend, and clearly facilities represented tens of millions of dollars in gains. For example, there were hundreds of air handlers that were operating inefficiently across our district that might cost $12,000 a year to continue operating in a degraded state. Copilot, as our foundational AI, was critical for realizing the inefficiencies at scale, and it was instrumental in us being able to make decisions about where to correct and spend money. We feel confident that a very conservative savings would be in the $40 to $50 million range over a 5-year period. That is a critical piece to sustaining operations and ensuring the world-class delivery of services to our students. It's not only about the fiscal savings as much as it is the learning environment in school. Those environmentals are very important to success as well.
It's created an environment where we can adopt additional AI solutions for our entire organization and in our classrooms that drive student performance.
Our Microsoft 365 Copilot deployment of 20,000 licenses was deployed to our staff and teaching and learning community.
With Microsoft 365 Copilot, I noticed that I could do assignments very quickly, just a few seconds, some of them. Now I'm able to reinvest that time and pay more attention to those students who need differentiated learning. Also, I can challenge the students more.
I created an AI agent basically to help seniors who need to meet graduation requirements. It will tell you what class to take, how to enroll, and if you're not in this class by a certain amount of time, it will email you, your parents, and your guidance counselor.
Microsoft Copilot and other tools will give students the opportunity to be detectives of their own knowledge seeking that will take them to the next level of study, their career. They can do that through artificial intelligence and safely.
We're educating students about AI in their education using AI, right? So that's really unique to the K-12 setting. I think it's going to be a really successful part of our generation's entry into the workforce because we're going to be ahead of the game when it comes to that adoption.
Copilot is going to help you create better insight, which equates to action immediately to find the information that you need. We're on the brink of a technology revolution, and AI is definitely the catalyst for that. So it is so important that we expose our students to tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot, so they're not just surviving in the future, they're actually leading the future.